Hi guys. Um, as I've talked about, I want to start doing some product reviews. Um, I'm going to start with these. These are some new diamond painting kits that I got at Dollar Tree. Um, I have gotten little tiny Dollar Tree kits before. I've gotten inexpensive little kits from other places, and um, I don't do big diamond paintings, but I've done a few of the little ones. And a quick little project is fine for me. I wouldn't want to do a big project. It just wouldn't be something I would enjoy, I don't think. But um Dollar Tree has some new little diamond painting kits. I did see some coaster kits, and I thought about them because they would probably make pretty cool um journal cover pieces. I didn't go ahead and get them. Something about them, well, that, and I was trying not to spend too much money. Um, I just, yeah, I just, for some reason, I didn't go ahead and get them. But they do have out some really cool coaster kits, and they're about 4 inches across. Um, Kind of floral, kind of, what do I want to call it? I can't explain it, but similar to these. Anyways, these are bookmark kits. And I thought, well, they might be really cool in journals. So I got all four that they had, and usually Dollar Tree puts out things in threes or fours anyways. Where's this one? This one has got one of the things I'll tell you is don't base it on whatever this color is, because take a look. This is very orange, and this is very gold. This is very tan, and yet this one's pink. Green and gray. So you have to look at the leather or vinyl that's in the kit. I thought these were interesting. I thought I'd try them out and see. In the past, the Dollar Tree kits have been pretty good. I don't know. I'm having a pretty good time with this one. I do have, now I have 3 of these little things out. One comes in the kit. Okay, so let me show you what came in the kit. One of these little trays came in the kit. The little diamond tool came in the kit. It had a little blob of wax and all of the little packages of gemstones. Now, so far with what I have been doing, there has been more than enough of the gemstones in this package. That is one thing that they haven't done, is short the kit. Now, I haven't finished finished it yet, so we'll have to wait and see. But it appears that it's going to have more than enough. This works for me to have them all out, so I did. One of the things I will tell you is that I didn't like as well is that the kit, okay, this is the painting tool that comes in the kit. Okay, so it can't seem to make a video without being interrupted, and I hope I'm going to be back on track and not get all of this messed up. But let me see if I can figure out where it was. Okay, so one of these little diamond painting tools comes in the kit. Okay, but one of the things I found was that it didn't work as well as the other inexpensive little tool I had. And I realized that in the other tools I have, there's this little metal piece, and you're not just using this little plastic piece. Let me see if I can show you. Okay, there we go. So, if you were doing a lot of diamond painting, that makes a difference. I imagine you could complete this kit with this one. I just switched to this other one because it works so much better. As I said, there were plenty of tools in in the, or not tools, but jewels in the kit. I found that I'm finding that, you know, there's one of these used, and I think there was 7 or 8 of them in the package. So if you dropped one, I'm pretty sure you'd be all right. I was trying to figure where I was supposed to put that. um, one of the things I am concerned about with this being a bookmark is that this is pretty stiff. So when you go to put it over something, I don't want to get the sticky done. You know, it's kind of stiff. Okay, as long as your page is good, that seems okay. But if it was a softer, like page that, like in a notebook or something, I don't know how well that would work. It's pretty heavy, is what I'm trying to say. That's a concern I have with it. The sticky on it seems to be pretty good. It seems to stick the jewels down. That jewel's really kind of odd. Oh, it's because I turned it upside down, I guess. Huh, that one's defective. Yeah. Even though I pulled that one off, it came back on. I do have a concern about these being bookmarks and there being so much space between the jewels. If you take a look, this is finished and there's a lot of space between those jewels. So I'm just a little concerned about how it's going to hold up. I'm thinking that there's going to need to be some kind of clear coat put over the top of it. So I'm going to have to look into that. I think in the past I have used my Mod Podge glue mixture and it seemed to be okay. But we will have to see about that. I'm going to go ahead and just work on this quietly and probably speed it up. So I'll talk to you at the end. Okay, guys. I have a lot of jewels left over. Just FYI, this is what's left over in this one particular package. So you see, they gave you plenty of little jewels. I did run across a couple of places, a couple of jewels where the color was on the flat side and it was backed on the wrong side, so you know they weren't going to stick down properly. This is really pretty. It was, you know, not super time consuming. And I'm definitely not someone who does a lot of this, so that's another part of it. I am concerned that in between all the jewels is sticky, so I will have to do something about that, because you know your paper's going to stick to it, dirt's going to stick to it. The jewels are not snugged up together, so that's going to happen. And I had trouble getting the glue barrier. You know, there's a sheet of glue on here, and you peel the layer off. Well, I had trouble getting the edges off, but my tweezers have disappeared off my table. I don't know where they went to. It's just the way it works some days. So I other than this tool not being as nice as an older tool that I had, this worked. It just didn't work real well. And the fact that I'm concerned about it being sticky, the jewels seem to be staying on real well. And the vinyl is really cool. It slips right onto the corner. They're actually pretty colors. They don't match they obviously don't match the print, but that's not uncommon. Everything was in there, and they were $1.25. So I think it was well worth my $1.25. It didn't take me all that long this afternoon to do it, and I had fun with it. So I think it'll be a fun addition to a journal. This kind of little bookmark is really kind of cute. Anyways, I think you could do some really fun things with the leftover jewels. Maybe we'll have to do something with that. Make something with the leftover jewels. I think that would be a fun thing to do. So I'm going to go. I will tell you, I think it was well worth $1.25. The jewels alone, you know, I've bought packages of jewels before, and the jewels alone, there's more of them in this kit than there are in you know, sometimes when you have to go buy them. So, and these were mostly jewels and not just the little colored pieces. So that was a lot of fun. I think that would be a really fun thing to do. Maybe we'll have to play with those jewels some in the coming weeks. Anyways, I'm going to tell you, this is yeah, thumbs up for this one. Go have fun. Make some art. Bye-bye.